Hi, third graders. Today, you are going to take your first math test of the year. Your test is all about rounding, ordering, and comparing numbers. Let's talk about some test-taking expectations. The first of all is our honor code. That means you need to be honest when you take your test. An adult cannot help you solve any problems on your test. Since your test is graded, it is supposed to show what you know, not anybody else. An adult can read the problems out loud to you, but they can't help you solve them. Make sure that you're following the honor code that you signed at the beginning of the year. Stay focused when you take your test. That means find a workspace where you're not distracted by anyone or anything. Try to find a place that's quiet so your brain can focus on your math. Mark the right choice. That means choose the best choice after you've worked through the problem and shown your work. Always do your best. It's okay to make a mistake, but it's not okay if you don't try. Try every problem and do your best. When you're finished with your test, recheck your work. Go back through and look at problems you weren't sure about the answer. Try working those problems one more time before you submit your test. Take your time. There is no rush for your test. Your teacher will assign it to you in the afternoon on Friday, and you have until the end of the day to turn it in. You can do this. Do your best and expect your best. Let's talk a little more about showing your work today. Your teacher is going to give you your test on Class Kick. You will need to show your work for your problems. There are lots of ways you can show work on Class Kick. The first way is to draw your work, just like you would on a piece of paper. You can use this tool here to draw. If you'd rather type, you can click the T here and type your response. You could even upload a picture of your work by clicking on the camera. And finally, you can hit the record button to record yourself sharing with your teacher how you solve the problem. It is very important that you meet the deadline for your test. Your teacher is going to give you a due date. You must turn in your test by the end of the day. Your test is on Friday, September 25th, and your test needs to be turned in by the end of Friday, September 25th. Contact your teacher if you have any questions. Bye, guys.